Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do TH says th th th. Th is this, th is this. Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say th 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 th? And that's the sound that TH makes. The, 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 the. The after that, the after that, that is a big boy. Were the with, were the with, go with me, go with you. The eaten tin, the eaten tin, he's thin, he's not fat. Ma the mort, mort, and that's a mort. A mort looks like a butterfly, but he comes out at night. The tent, the tent, that's a tenth of the month. Throb, throb, ouch, my head is throbbing, my head is hurting. The broth, the broth. I'm making a chicken broth. That means I put the chicken in the water and I boil it, and then I get that water. That water that I boil the chicken in is called broth. The ting, ting. I spy with my little eye something red. What is something red? And I have to go and search for it, and then I will find a clue, something to tell me where the treasure is, a clue. The N, then first I will do my homework, then I will play with you. The M, them, the M, them, please give it to them. Father, a father, father. Father Abraham had many sons, and many sons had Father Abraham, and I'm one of them, and so are you. So just let's praise the Lord. Three, three little ducks that I once knew, fat one, the skinny one, some like you. But the one little duck with a feather on his back waddled to his mother with a quack, 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 quack. Or you can sing, three little ducks went far out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. Tick, tick. This is a thick book, and that is a thin book. Tank. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to my party. Oh, thank you for listening to me and learning and being a good child. Eat the pit. And this is a plant, and in the middle I have the pit, right? And it's kind of sticky and it's got liquid in it. Okay, pit. Thunder, thunder. ER says ER says thunder. I hear thunder, hark don't you, pitter-patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you. I'm fully wet, right through. Thicker, a thicker, which one is thicker? This one or this one? I think this one is thicker than this book. a slither. S-L-E-ther, a slither. Slither, slither goes the slippery snake. Slither, slither goes the slippery snake. Woo. Slither, slither goes the slippery snake all through the jungle. Gather, gather. Gather, gather. Gather together, Lord, gather together. Gather together in love. We're all going to gather together and meet together in love because we love each other. Bother, a bother. Bother, a bother. Don't bother me. Don't trouble me. Color author, cloth. Color author, cloth. A cloth. I have a big piece of cloth. Then I'll cut it and I'll make shirts. And I'll cut it and I'll make pants. Okay? Or different clothes. Thimble, thimble. Thimble, thimble. Ellie says, ugh. Okay, so this is my finger, and then I put a metal cap on my finger because when I am using a needle and a thread, I can prick myself or poke myself. So I need to protect my fingers, so I use thimbles. Think, think. I'm thinking of you. How are you? Are you doing okay? I'm thinking and thinking of you in my head. Thorn, thorn, thorn. Now this is a rose plant, and the rose plant has thorns, and they're very sharp. So if I touch them, I can get hurt. Oops, and all the blood can come out of my fingers. Thrill, thrill. Oh my God, it's so thrilling to go on a roller coaster because the roller coaster goes and so fast. You like that. Thrill. Trust. Trust is to push. I'm trusting. I'm pushing. Now let's read from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? Good children. Don't forget your trains. First sound, last sound. This, that, with, thin, mort, tent, throb, brought, thing, then, them, father, tree, thick, tank, pit, thunder, tick, slid, gather, border, clot, thimble, think, torn, thrill, trust. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.